Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where my apron's on, my whisk might be tiny, but I'm still cooking up big flavors. Today we're going to be making roasted habanero salsa. We're going to start with cutting 8 Roma tomatoes in half. One yellow onion that we're going to quarter. Three cloves of garlic, 1 jalapeno stem removed, 2 habanero stems removed, 1.5 teaspoons of olive oil. We're going to mix them and get them all covered with olive oil. Layer on a sheet pan. Cook in a 400 degrees preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes. And after 25 minutes, we take it out of the oven and let it cool down. Let it cool. We added it to the blender. Add in a 1/2 bunch of cilantro, the juice of 2 limes, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. And now we blend. Serve with chips, eat with tacos. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. It's got some good flavor and some good heat. You like it hot, you'll like this. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.